We, Snowball Machinery, based on more than 30 years of ice cream equipment production experience, not only produces high-quality equipment products, but also provides comprehensive after-sales installation and commissioning, training, on-site, remote guidance and other services to customers in more than 60 countries and regions around the world. Help inexperienced customers around the world to provide complete ice cream factory turnkey projects. From project confirmation, plant design, equipment display, to on-site construction, equipment installation and commissioning, and future production guidance and tracking. In addition to the standard warranty period, the equipment service period is upgraded to lifetime service to solve the worries of most customers. Welcome customers from the ice cream industry all over the world to consult and visit the factory.